Hi, welcome back. Another important question of the day. Let's try to read the question. Okay, this is the question number 26. Which functionality plays a key role to set items passed to MRP for stock tracking in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? That means like when you pass requirements, when you send requirements to MRP, okay, what should be the key functionality which helps to pass the requirements to material requirement planning? Okay, this is one of the key integration between and SDMM. They just by this question they would like to know what is your integration knowledge. This is one of the aspects. Don't think that a lot many more available. Okay, before going ahead for options, if you are not at subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this for your certification preparation or else for your internals preparation. So I'll just forgotten. I'll just try to do one video. What is the advantage of these questions? If you came to know the answers, okay, you can try to improve your analytical skills. And currently I'm holding 5,000 plus students and successfully 899 reviews. And this is my sales and distribution course, continuously triggering currently 406 lectures and sessions and 109 hours. Okay, so if you really wanted to get into the real time, better do these courses, getting master to write functional specification and idocs with 5 scenarios. And all these are the different courses available at my end. And if you would like to improve to have your footsteps in S4 HANA, you just try to do this basic course for master data. Around 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing those links in the description of this video. Okay, so you can able to access if really interested. Okay, first option, transfer of requirements. B, transfer of orders. C, transfer of volume. D, transfer of availability. E, scrap item volume. F, material planning. G, none of the above. Okay, just try to answer all these questions and I can make sure that you will be ready for your certification examination if you and for other internal examination from company. Okay, try to answer these questions. Thanks so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day.